Our travels begin with nanobots, a new era in medicine. Picture this, machines so tiny they're practically invisible, flowing through our bloodstream, repairing damaged tissue and combating diseases at their cellular root. So, these miraculous entities, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are now a reality on the verge of transforming healthcare. Imagine a future where nanobots can be tailored to address specific health issues, eliminating the need for invasive surgeries or prolonged treatments. The potential is boundless. Yet, as with any technological marvel, there's a shadow that accompanies the light. The prospect of nanobots malfunctioning or being manipulated introduces a new kind of vulnerability. Could they inadvertently trigger unintended effects, or worse, be weaponized to wreak havoc on our bodies from the inside? As we venture deeper into this realm, we're reminded that with great advancements comes great responsibilities. As we journey forward, the landscape becomes murkier with the emergence of deepfakes. I'm sure you have seen plenty of deepfake videos of celebrities without even knowing. These astonishing feats of artificial intelligence enable the creation of videos that can convincingly make anyone appear to say or do things they never did. On the surface, it's a realm of infinite creative possibilities, yet the dark implications are hard to ignore. Imagine a world where it's nearly impossible to discern fact from fabrication. Political leaders, celebrities, and ordinary individuals alike could find themselves entangled in scandals or controversies fueled by manipulated videos. This brave new world of deception raises profound questions about media literacy, trust, and the erosion of reality itself. The allure of deepfakes is undeniable, but we must grapple with the challenge of safeguarding the authenticity of information in an age where seeing might no longer be believing. An innovation poised to redefine the way we move. Envision a world where cars drive for you on the roads, freeing you from the monotony of driving and transforming your commute into a productive oasis. The promises are enticing, yet as we speed forward, we encounter roadblocks that demand our attention. The concept of hackable cars looms large, a digital Trojan horse that could lead to vehicles being commandeered by malicious actors. Moreover, the inevitability of job displacement casts a sobering shadow, particularly in industries dependent on human drivers. The road to autonomy is paved with possibilities, but we must steer carefully, ensuring that our embrace of innovation doesn't leave us stranded in a landscape of unintended consequences. And now, let's spare a moment to shed light on the honourable mentions of our technology tour: digital surveillance. In our interconnected world, every click, swipe and search leaves a digital footprint. Surveillance cameras, once a rare sight, now observe us at every turn, blurring the line between safety and intrusion. Killer drones. The skies become a playground for unmanned aerial vehicles. The potential for both constructive application and unintended repercussions grows. These drones, guided by artificial intelligence, raise questions about ethics, privacy, and a fine line between security and surveillance. As we draw the curtains on this video, remember that our exploration on these technologies is merely the prologue of a story yet to be told. Let's hope none of these potential threats come to fruition. If you found this journey as exhilarating as we have, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more enlightening adventures, and join the conversation in the comments below. Until next time, let's navigate the maze of possibilities with curiosity and caution, and remember, always be factual.